Hello everybody, today we are going to be reviewing the, is it GOODaaa? GOODaaa? GOODaaa. It is a 42,800 milliwatt amp hour solar power bank. So just upon opening it up, there are some instructions. You have the solar power bank itself, a USB-C cable to charge it when you don't want to or aren't able to charge it via the solar panel. And then there is a carabiner. Let's take a closer look for a minute here. So this is the solar panel itself. Right here are going to be the light indicators. So I believe when this is green, that means it's picking up on some type of sunlight. And there are 3 lights here to indicate that it is charging and vaguely what level of power it's charging on. Over here, there's the output and input. And then right here you have the lightning charger for iPhones and then 2 more USB-Cs. Over here there appears to be a thermostat to let you know if it's overheating. And here is a power button for the flashlight. So on, there's a few different strobe modes here. And then there is a hook for said carabiner, which would probably be great to hang it on something to collect sunlight. This cable, which I believe is to connect to a solar panel. I think they do make solar panels to go with this. I believe this retails for around $35 on Amazon. I'll have it linked in the description if you're interested. I am going to charge up my iPad. My goal is to completely deplete this power bank. I took it upon myself to watch other product review videos on this product, and I'm not seeing anyone really address how long it actually takes to fully charge this power bank with the solar panel itself. I do want to take the time to thank GOODaaa for sending me this product to review. They do not sponsor me. They have not paid me. I will be giving a thorough and honest review. I've been charging my iPad for under an hour. It was at 31% and it is now at 53. I don't know if you can see that, 53%. So I feel like it is charging at a relatively quick speed. I'm happy with that. It is day 2. I charged my phone. I have a Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, and then I have an older iPad. It's not an iPad Pro. I think it's like a 9th or 10th generation iPad. So I charged both of those, and I believe that this is finally dead. Really the only way to see the power indicators is these lights. There's 3 blue lights and then this green light. So I do wish that there was some type of display that would give me an actual percentage. Okay, so right now the green sun symbol is on, and then there's a blue dot that's blinking. I don't know if that means it's charging or not. And then earlier I mentioned this thermometer, and I wasn't sure if it was recording the outside temperature or if it was just recording the temperature, like the internal temperature of this device, because a lot of the directions did mention like it overheating. It said it appears to be in the high 90s, and that's definitely not the temperature out today. So maybe that's for the device. All right, just to be fair, I did put it out here directly in the sun. So yeah, we will see. I would put it on my roof, but because it's smaller, it would just get stuck in the shadows of all of the stuff on my roof. Well, the sun is setting. This was out for a couple hours. I moved it a few times to stay in the sun, and it still has that green sun emblem on and then one blue blinking dot. So I'm not sure how much it actually charged. We're gonna try again tomorrow. Good morning. It is round 3 of trying to charge this. Sorry, I just woke up. Gunner is eating his breakfast. The battery for my van was dead this morning. I think I left something charging in the console. But we're gonna try and put this in the sun and charge it again. All right, truth be told, it's cold. I'm not going outside right now, but I think that this is a great idea to put it in the windshield on the dashboard and maybe just leave it there forever. All right, it's been quite a few hours. I took this off of my dash. It is incredibly hot. Holy crap. So I think it's overheating. It says it's like 120 degrees. That's as high as it goes. It could be hotter. It does feel very warm. And it's basically the same thing it's been doing for the past day and a half. The green symbol is on and just that one blue blinking. I don't know. Should I keep going? It's overheating. I'm really sorry to the brand. I have to give an honest review. You have to put it in the sun in order to charge it via the solar panel, but then it overheats in the sun. And yes, I'm inside of my van, but it is cold outside, so I don't know. I'm confused. If any of you have any suggestions in the comments, I think I'm just gonna end the review here. My final thoughts on this product. For $35, I really didn't have a large amount of expectations, but it's just kind of a miss for me. My biggest thing, I wish that this display had like a charging percentage. So I had some type of vague concept of if it's actually charging, how much it's charging. It seems to have problems overheating, which is concerning for a product that is supposed to be put in direct sunlight to charge. Yeah, I don't know. Thanks to the brand for sending it to me. Like I said, they did not pay me. This isn't a paid collaboration. I'll have it linked in the description if you want to buy it or check out their products, but it's really important for me to give honest reviews. I have done paid collaborations. I'm still willing to do paid collaborations, but I'm never going to give you guys a false review just so I can make some money. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this review, please subscribe, follow. We do a lot of van life stuff, hiking content, camping content, food reviews, all kinds of silly stuff. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope that this was helpful.